Y'all, this is Vic. Hey, thank y'all for stopping in. Hey, again, I appreciate all y'all hanging in here with me. The little last two haul I did, that mystery toolbox, was really wasn't that great. So I had went to an estate sale and really was going to put all the pictures of the tools and stuff on Instagram and share them out like that. But I figured since I shorted y'all on that one, I'll throw this little video out and go through it real quick. It's gonna be real short. So, hey, I appreciate all y'all. Thank y'all so much, and hope y'all have a good one. Thanks. All right, since my little mystery toolbox wasn't all that great, I also hit up a estate sale, and I think I got some pretty interesting items from it. So let's go through them. I like this little old scraper, a little advertisement on it, #1. Thought that was pretty neat. Little decimal equivalents sheet, little nut and bolt gauge workshop, little plastic gauge area. Picked up this little 6 and 12 volt battery charger. I like that. Got me another battery charger, a Napa. It's a Ultramatic starter and charger. Part number is 85435. I like that. I like these little tube belt things, 84 Lumber Company. I like it. And then I found this canvas AWP tool thing, little tool bag tote. Let's see, what else? So all this little socket box with a little a Wright N62-46 ratchet, 3/8. This, I don't know if has that been put in there. Is that missing something? I'm not sure. It works. That's a little Taiwan. A couple of these. Let's see. It says chrome, but boy, that's a long way from chrome. 11/16. I think that's a Circle NB. It made in the USA. 11/16. 11/16. Both of them are exactly the same. That one exactly the same. He had 3 of the same. How about that? It's matching wobbler. I think we done. That's Taiwan too. Let's see. Craftsman V, 14mm, 5/8. Craftsman 1/16 V. I have no idea. And then one of these deals, Octagon 7-8. So I'm gonna imagine that's 7/8. I'm not certain. I can't read it. Anyway, then it had this miscellaneous bits in it, or some saw blades, little butter knife, little marker. I like black crayon. Just hacksaw blades. Big bit. So let's see. Get that out of the way. Nice pair of snips, diamond. Little Stanley saw. 175R, made in the USA. Yale lock, no key. Miscellaneous hardware. A little Irwin US of A. Perfect handle screwdriver. And a pair of vice grips. Has USA on there, but I don't know what that says. Hang on a minute, let me hit that with a wire brush. True cut. Can y'all tell? True cut. I don't know. Anyways, they're straights. Nothing bad. Nice pair of these, boy. They loose though. No name on these. I like them though. These things are 10 inches. 10 inches. Pretty nice. They slick. Nice little steel hammer. That'll clean up okay, I guess. Be useful. Little 6-inch crescent, Jamestown. I like them. Just a Williams 731. And then trademark Tremo A10. Somebody done drilled a hole through it, unfortunately. It says patent 18, I think that's 89. So, little pipe wrench. It's not bad. I like it. Let's see. New in stock spark plug gap wire gauge set. I just like the packaging and stuff on it. Watched right on with John and got me some stove polish and grill and stove polish. I seen it, picked it up. I don't have a stove, but I'm looking for me a potbelly stove for my garage. And then just miscellaneous, this little old tote. I liked it. Put a little dial in there. He's got his nail to keep it from going in and out and twisting around. So it's just a nice little tote. I'll clean it up and put some linseed oil on it. That thing's gonna look right. And then run across this, it's empty. But hey, give me a gold little proto set. 1200 RM metric 18-piece combination wrench set. Just a pouch. Just a pouch only. 2438. So I grabbed that. Maybe I can find those, or find somebody that wants to trade this for something I might need or something. And so I grabbed that. It's like brand new. It ain't. I think the guy. I looked for the wrenches, but couldn't find them. So, anyways, fellas, I don't know if this makes up for the mystery toolbox or not, but I like a few of these. Of course, I love the little 6-inch crescents. Can't beat that. Little perfect handle screwdriver, Irwin. I like those. Of course, diamond. And this is interesting to me, the True Cut USA. Huh. Anyways, I guess that's pair 30 or 40 I got. Anyways, hey, thank y'all so much. Y'all have a good one.